name is Aowen, and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you what's inside my drawstring bag from Sinbono. Sinbono bags are luxurious vegan bags. They are based in New York. Their bags are made from recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leathers. Well crafted, eco friendly as well. Want to try mindful fashion that are luxurious? Please try Sinbono bags. So now let's open what I have inside my Sinbono bag. So on the outside, I have placed this My Melody coin purse, coin pouch that serves as a earbud case, but at the same time as a very cute charm on the outside of my bag. Very pretty, very kawaii My Melody. So I'll show you. I am loving this Bavin earbuds. My phone is an Android phone. So I'm using this Bavin most of the time. Very convenient. This pouch is very convenient. I can use it in so many different ways. But now I have my earbuds at the moment. So let's open the bag. I have here a highlighter pen that has a tip that is shape of a heart. You can see? So cute. So pretty. And I have here a pen. Brand is M&G. So at the back, I have here my phone that looks like a camera. Very pretty and girly. One of my favorite cases. Then I have here my holographic card holder that I have my tissues in. I've placed my tissues. I brought my very cute compact mirror with brush. And this is a very dainty, pretty My Melody design with all this sweet stuff. So it looks like this. It has a mirror. And also in the other side is a brush, a hairbrush. So pretty, so kawaii. Then I have here my keys. This is My Melody key holder. It houses my keys. It can also be nice if you put it outside like a charm, but I prefer it inside for safety reasons. Then I have here, I bought a Tic Tac in this cute color, pink. Tasted it already. It tastes sour and sweet. On the pocket, on this area, it has a pocket. This small pouch that I have, I just have my essentials here, some panty liners. I have here my medallion, my angel's medallion, Saint Raphael, some emergency medicines, and of course the pin. I always bring this pin in case I need to put out the SIM in my phone, a band-aid, and a thermometer. I don't have anything in this pocket at this point. And the last thing inside my Sinbono bag is a Coach corner zip wristlet. The one zip wristlet this was gifted to me, I think 2 years ago by a friend from Insta. I have the card, some cash and receipts. So this is my wallet at the moment, my Coach corner zip wristlet. You can see inside of this bag, you can see the shape. Both sides expand, so it can fit a lot, and I'm happy that I have this bag. This is so pretty, very girly and pretty. And I want to show you, just in case I want to replace the top handle and I want to use a longer strap. By the way, the top handle can be used like a baguette style. It can be top handle and a baguette style. But in case I want to use the longer setting, I can use a longer strap like this one. And I think the pink one looks very nice with this color. I'll show you. This can be adjusted. You can use the bag in a longer setting. So this strap looks very nice with the color of the bag, with the ivory. No, I really love the ivory. I think the ivory color looks really nice compared to the very white ones. I think the ivory color has more class to it. Looks nice with the design of the bag. So here's another sling I'm using from my Sinbono Vienna top handle. This is from Sinbono as well. You can see that's their logo. So I will try to use this. I think this will also look nice as a longer setting. This will also look nice if you use this as a longer strap, like a crossbody or a shoulder. So there. So it looks nice as well. It looks really pretty together with My Melody. It's because the hardware has the same color, gold color. Looks really pretty. I think I'm gonna use this as well to interchange it with this one. If I feel like I want it to be a bit formal, I want the design to be a bit formal, I think both of them would look nice in the color ivory. Or in case I would find like an ivory ribbon, I might try to replace this and still would matchy with the color of the bag. I think I'm gonna do that next time. One good feature of this bag is that it is structured. Even though it doesn't have anything inside, it stays straight. It will sit on top of your table. This is another good feature of the bag. Here are my Sanrio My Melody bag essentials inside my Sinbono Drawstring Bag. They're what's inside my Sinbono Drawstring Bag. I have a collaboration with Sinbono and we are giving away 3 bags. And this giveaway is open until December 30, 2023. So if you haven't joined in that giveaway yet, I'll link them up here or down below. Please look for the link or for the videos so that you can watch on how to enter this giveaway. For my other friends and subscribers who are not from the USA, please don't worry. I'll be having another giveaway in upcoming 2024. I'll be celebrating my anniversary. It will be my 4 years in YouTube. So please don't worry. I'll be hosting more giveaways for you. If you love beautiful luxury bag alternatives such as this, simple and classy, glamorous, pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video, Happy Christmas everyone!